Have you seen the Fusionist coin today? This crypto has surged 20%. This is crazy because it seems like the global market is on a downtrend. Most investors are skeptical about this project because since its launch, it has been decreasing. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about this and the reason for its sudden increase. But before getting into the discussion, make sure to help this channel growth by subscribing to this channel. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. According to the news, there's a mention of a token unlock scheduled for September 14, 2025, which is $716,190 worth of ACE, 2% of the supply. The news also mentions Binance supporting a network upgrade and hard fork on August 20, 2025. That's a month ago from the current date. Would that still affect the price now? Maybe not directly, but perhaps ongoing confidence from the upgrade's success. There's also a Tokyo Game Show mention for September 25th to 28th, which is upcoming. Anticipation for that event might be driving interest. Another news item from Millionaire magazine on September 8th mentions ACE's token unlock on September 14th. Unlocks can lead to selling pressure. However, the unlock amount here is relatively small compared to the market cap of $55.9 million, so maybe the impact is limited. Also, the global crypto market is up 1% in 24 hours, but ACE is up 20%, so it's outperforming. The altcoin season index is up 34% over the week, indicating capital rotation into altcoins. That could be a factor. Plus, ACE's volume surged 3,700% in 24 hours, showing high trading activity. Putting it together, the main drivers are likely the upcoming Tokyo Game Show participation, bullish event, technical indicators showing bullish momentum, and high trading volume. The token unlock might be a minor factor, but the small size could mean it's not the main driver. Since its launch, ACE went through what most new projects experience. That initial hype cycle followed by a steady decline as early investors took profits and the market cooled off. For a lot of people, that looked like weakness. But to me, it was simply price discovery. Now fast forward to today, we're officially in a bull market phase, and this is where things get interesting. Coins that survived are starting to bounce back, and Fusionist ACE is showing exactly that. We've already started to see a solid surge in price, which signals renewed demand and confidence. Why? Because fundamentally, Fusionist is building a unique Web3 gaming ecosystem that blends AAA quality gaming with blockchain ownership, and the narrative around gaming plus crypto is heating up again. Remember, markets are all about timing. Buying a token at peak hype is risky, but buying after a long consolidation period, right when momentum is shifting upward, can be one of the best asymmetric plays in crypto. And that's why I think ACE is in a sweet spot right now. It has gone through the worst, it's starting to recover, and with the bull run pushing projects higher, ACE could position itself for serious upside if momentum continues. So for me, Fusionist ACE isn't just another random coin. It's a project that's showing resilience, bouncing back strongly in this market cycle, and proving why patience pays in crypto. Fusionist is a blockchain-based gaming project that gained public attention after raising a $6.6 million seed fund in a round led by Binance Labs and FunPlus. Launched by Fusion Interactive, the developers took a unique approach to game development by creating endurance blockchain instead of the conventional token and NFT collection. Fusionist's mission is to deliver the most sustainable and scalable next-generation Web 3.0 games for players from all parts of the world. The project combines a social infrastructure layer, endurance, and a blockchain game, Fusionist. Endurance forms the backbone and blockchain technology behind Fusionist, powering the game's economy, digital asset management, and transactions. This synergy between Fusionist and Endurance exemplifies how games can go beyond traditional entertainment to offer players a rich gaming ecosystem that fosters economic interaction and community engagement. Fusionist started with a centralized user engagement reward system called Alpha Prestige. Although Alpha Prestige was successful in gaming, gathering over 130,000 high-quality Web 3.0 users, the ecosystem faced boundaries and challenges diminishing the operation of blockchain games. Fusion Interactive then designed a state-of-the-art technology that solves these existing problems and promotes user experience. The Fusionist mainnet, Endurance, was launched in January 2023 in response to the demand for a more consolidated and improved blockchain gaming technology. Although the team behind Fusionist is yet to be revealed, it is believed that the project is run by industry leaders with long-standing experience in e-gaming, having worked at top organizations like Electronic Arts, Moonton, and Tencent. It is because of this quality and expertise that the project raised $6.6 million from Binance Labs and FunPlus in January 2022 to develop the Endurance mainnet ecosystem.